Our democracy's strength is its rule of law. Thousands of cases are heard by judges in courtrooms across this land each day. By the way, I think you'll find this next case very interesting. I'm Brian Hagg with this week's It's a Matter of Law. In this case, a 15-year-old male high school student became enraged after his female teacher sent him to the principal's office. At the end of the school day, the student returned to the teacher's classroom and began arguing with her regarding the incident. The teacher felt intimidated by the male student, who was 6 foot 5 inches tall and weighed 200 pounds. Both eventually proceeded to the principal's office, where the principal suspended the student, and a police officer assigned to the school charged the student with simple assault. The trial court adjudicated the student delinquent on the basis that he committed simple assault by threatening his teacher. How would you decide this case? May a high school student be convicted of assault and adjudicated delinquent for yelling at his high school teacher? We'll be back in a moment with the answer to that question. May a high school student be convicted of assault and adjudicated a delinquent for yelling at his high school teacher? In this case, no, according to the South Dakota Supreme Court. Under South Dakota law, simple assault is defined as attempting by physical menace to put another in fear of imminent serious bodily injury with or without the actual ability to seriously harm the other person. However, the court found only that the student was standing very close to the teacher, towering over her, and yelling at her for a period of 3 to 4 minutes. The teacher stated that though she felt intimidated by the student, she did not believe that the student would physically hurt her. Because there was no evidence that the student ever touched the teacher or verbally threatened her with harm, the South Dakota Supreme Court reversed the lower court's decision, declaring that the student could not be held delinquent on the basis of assaulting his teacher. Remember, it's a matter of law.